Hello and welcome to another do-it-yourself project, making a miniature planter for a 1/12 scale dollhouse display from a Chrysnbon Milk Can kit. I have an idea of how to decorate these Chrysnbon milk cans. They were already pre-put together. I got them at a dollhouse show and they just needed a little TLC and some decorations. So here are the three cans. One of the cans are missing the handles, and the other one, the handles were broke off. I had an inspiration idea from a real-life milk can, and it's kind of old, but I just love the shape of it with the eagle and kind of the green and the rose gold or the bronze colors on the outside. And I thought I could apply that to these little milk cans that I had purchased a while back. The plastic Chrysnbon Milk Can Mini Kit M158 comes in a shiny silver. The height is about 2 5/8 by 7/8 in diameter. First, I sand the outside so that I can paint it. And while I'm sanding, I'm trying to think of a way that I could add those handles to the milk can that's missing them. And I think I'm going to use the large part of a larger jumbo paper clip. I just need to get my pliers and clip them. They aren't exactly a match, but I think they'll work. I'm going to use a combination of tacky glue and super glue. One side I'm going to put the super glue, and the other side, the handle, I'll put the tacky glue and put them together and hold it for a little bit until they dry together. Then I paint the outside of the milk cans. I'm using a combination of colors that I mixed together in the plastic bottle cap. After the first coat of paint was dry, I add a second coat and let that dry. Then I add the trim. I was just going to use the rose gold paint, but it was a little bit too pink for me, so I added a little bit of bronze, mixed it together, and then I added the trim. For the decorations, I'm going to use a combination of a decal on one of the cans and stickers for the other two. The decal is from a Microscale Decal company. I'm not sure how old these are, and I'm going to just use the little eagle portion. I place the decal into the water as the directions say to do, and it starts to curl up just a little bit. And then I try to make sure it gets all wet, and when I do that, some of the little tiny parts of the decal come up, the little leaves around the eagle. So I'm having to stop and think, oh gosh, what I'm going to do here. But it looks like the eagle piece is going to stay intact. I use my tweezers to take the eagle off and place it on the one can. Then I press it onto the can side. I did try to save some of those leaves and put them on, but they kept curling up. I do decide to add some other of the sticker pieces to this eagle. I add the flower stickers to the other two cans, and I put a little dab of tacky glue on the back of each of the stickers, and then I press that on. I repeat adding the sticker to the second can, and when I'm looking at the little leftover pieces from in between that sticker, I think I can use some of those petal pieces to put around the eagle, and that's what I do. And finally, I add the plants and decorations to the eagle can. The paper flower roses, bluebonnets, and rain lilies I made in prior videos, and I'm going to make the poppies in an upcoming video. I also punch out some little pieces to put on top of the cans. For lids, I'm not sure if I'm going to glue it down yet. The flower arrangement in red, white, and blue theme, I glue to the top of one of those 5x8 circle diameter disc so that I can remove it if I need to. I'm really happy that I saw that inspiration piece. I'm not sure it looks exactly the same, but it sure gave me an idea that I do like. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching and sharing.